Well, 'tis the season. There are hundreds of summer camps happening around the province. Hockey, basketball, art, and then there's Lego camp. That's happening at NSFK AGE University. The kids are learning from a Lego master. Colleen Jones has that story.
One of the funnest tasks with Lego ever. Sorting. See the big dump?
As Jason Payette dumps out a big pile of Lego, the kids go to work sorting. Welcome to Lego Camp. And if you think they're going to be building just regular designs, think again. What Jason Payette came up with for the kids? A giant working pencil. Since Monday, these kids have been immersed in the project.
With one person it would be hard, but we've got a group of Lego masters here.
And these Lego masters are learning from the master himself. Jason Payette from Twoloosebricks. His Lego commissions go around the world. This big pencil build, well, there's over 200 pages of instructions. Then Lego pieces?
About 6,000.
No, I've built Lego with 300 pieces. That was challenging enough. Imagine 6,000. So every day, they keep making a little more progress.
This is what it's supposed to look like at the end for one of the sides. Swin and Kide were like super fast, like holy cow.
I can learn about how to design Legos, and I can make the special thing.
Finally, time for the big reveal.
It's the tip of the pencil. The pencil people.
All of this has taught them engineering, design, and art.
And this morning they saw how complicated it was to make that tip and make the shape. So they get a bit of that. And of course there's artistry and with the colors and getting the theme down.
Now the moment of truth. Can they write with it? So this requires a little bit of glue, which some purists don't like, but for Jason, in the land of big builds,
we break those rules very often because sometimes you just have to glue things to make sure they're secure, especially if they're going to be on public display or in public use.
Right. So with a little glue and 3 kids holding the pencil, success.
Is it heavy yet?
Colleen Jones, CBC News, Halifax.